If you want to minimize your scars, definitely check out this silicone scar tape from HealFast. Now, I was gifted this for review, and this is an exceptionally high-end quality brand that is well loved for good reason. You can look to their reviews to see what I mean, but let me show you exactly what you get here. Now, HealFast is a US company. This is physician formulated originally for their patients and family, and it's based on medical grade silicone, which has been well studied. And the goal with it is to have scars that are flatter, softer, and less visible. Now, there is one trick to this, and that is that you do have to use it consistently for a long period of time. But fortunately, you get a lot as well. Let me show you. Now, I've already used a little bit of it, but you get 3 meters or 120 inches of the silicone tape. And this is what it looks like. It is a soft exterior, and then this plastic backing will peel off so you can stick it on. Now here's a little piece of it, and so when I peel it off of this is the most challenging part in my opinion, because you definitely don't want it to roll back on itself. But when you pull it off, it is almost like a gel. It's very soft. It's very easy to have it roll back on itself, so you definitely want to be careful at the start. But you can see that it's see-through and it has like a triangular pattern throughout it. And then you really do just put it down wherever you need it to go. And it will go on very nicely, and it blends in really well in a lot of spaces. Yes, you are wearing something, but it's not nearly as obvious as a large Band-Aid. Now, I'm going to use this to minimize a scar I have on my knee. I've already put it on my knee, and the one warning I would say with this is that on joints, it does have a propensity to roll up just a little bit, so you may have to tape it down if you have it on a joint. But if you have it somewhere flat, say your abdomen, middle of your arm, anywhere that's not going to be bending much or have something rubbing back and forth on it, it really will hold wonderfully and be easy to replace when needed. It just comes right off, and it doesn't even leave residue. Now, while I cannot prove that it works in my first video, I am thrilled that I was gifted this, as I've read many of the reviews and it is so well loved. So I'm going to fully test it on my knee. I know it'll take a lot of time, but I will definitely follow up with another video on my progress. HealFast Silicone Scar Tape.